20 divided by 1 over 4, then times 4. Our goal is to find the value of this expression. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division. 20 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 20 times 4 and again times 4. 20 times 4 gives us 80. So 80 times 4, which gives us 320. And this is our final value for this problem. The correct answer is 320.